guys, before I start this video, I just want to say I'm really sorry because today I am in a real big mess. Let me go inside the door.
Please, Dad.
Sorry, I just watched them. So I had just waken up. Today in today's video I'll be doing a slime collection video, but I don't really want to show all my slimes because that would just take a really long time. So I'm gonna only pick out 3. It's a giant one and 2 small ones. The way I made all of these is with some glitter glue, some clear glue, some magical liquid, magical liquid, and some shaving foam. That's how I made all of them. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with the one that my least favorite one. It's this one. It's a nice slime, I guess. It feels a little bit sticky, and it's also fluffy and kind of like glossy. Sometimes when you poke, it's not glossy. Sometimes when you do, it is. So I will rate this slime as 7. I made this slime with some blue glitter glue, activator, and some shaving foam.
I'm eating my toffee yogurt.
Yeah, that was dumb. Sorry about the noise. I'm really sorry. Jack, can you shut the door? I'm really sorry. The next one is kind of like a smaller slime. It's definitely lighter in colour. It's still really blue though. I made this one with this shaving foam and this. So basically I use all the ingredients for this one.
Your food's there.
That one. I love slime so much, guys. Okay, so the next one, look at the top, it's white. I call it milk. There it is. I made this one with clear, activator, and some shaving foam. It's so cool. So cool to on the top it always comes up. Here it is. It's super big. I thought I'd leave my biggest one till last. Guys, just go back here just look. So big. This one's definitely my favorite. Oh. Move your back so you can see. Now I'm going to put you into mine. Yeah. Okay. I really did hope you enjoy. Go and check out Little Lola, Lucy's channel, and Keeping Up with Zoya, Zoya's channel. Those girls are in my class. They're like my besties. So yeah, I may do a slime collection with these ones again. I might do a slime more slimes in the future? We never know. So guys, I will see you later.